Hitbot Electric Gripper Z-EFG-100 Unboxing. The certificate of conformity is attached to the right side of the top cover. Open the package box. There is a warranty card, a Z-EFG-100 electric gripper, and a gripper control cable. Wiring preparation: a 24 volts power supply, a 485 to USB connection module, a Phillips screwdriver. Note: keep the power off. During the wiring process, there are 4 connecting wires. Connect the brown wire to the positive pole of the power supply, and the blue wire to the negative pole. Connect the black wire to the positive pole of 485, and the white wire to the negative pole. Connect the 4-pin aviation plug at the other end of the cable to the Z-EFG-100 electric gripper. Tighten the power supply connector clockwise. Then connect the USB interface of the 485 module to the computer. After connecting, the 485 module will light up in red. Finally, connect the 220 volts power socket to power the electric gripper. After connecting, the 24 volts power supply light will be on, and the fan will rotate. Open the special software and select the corresponding serial port. The serial port number will be different for different computers. Click Open Serial Port. If it shows that the serial port is open, it means the device has completed the connection. When using for the first time, click Close Calibration and Open Calibration. To initialize the machine calibration, click Fully Close to close the gripper. Click Fully Open to open the gripper. Enter a number from 0 to 100 in the position input box. Click Move. The gripper will move to the corresponding position according to the input value. You can also drag the button pointed by the red arrow with the mouse to complete the gripper positioning. Enter the delay time in the input box. The time unit is milliseconds. 2000 milliseconds equals 2 seconds. Click Cycle Operation. The gripper will automatically open and close intermittently.